If God came back today, would you be ready? It is a big question, but Jesus gives us a very simple image to help us. He says, "Look at the fig tree. When the leaves start to grow, you know summer is near." In the same way, God gives little signs in our daily life, not to scare us, but to guide us. A lot of people feel nervous when they hear about the end times. But Jesus does not want fear in our hearts. He wants trust. He wants faith. I remember one night during a brownout. Everything around me was dark. But far away, a small lamp in a tiny house was shining. And it was enough to show me where to walk. Our faith can be like that. Small, maybe simple, but enough to light our next step. So today, Jesus invites us to stay awake, to stay faithful, and to stay hopeful. Heaven and earth will pass away, but His word never will. Let us walk toward Him with confidence and peace. Amen.